Hello YouTube. This is going to be a 5-part video regarding how did I set up Android 7.1 or Android Nougat on my Motorola first generation mobile phone. So before we start, a little introduction to my device. I bought this device in 2014 and unfortunately within the first few months of usage I dropped it pretty badly. You can see the display is all messed up. But anyway, I did not throw this phone away. It is at my home from time to time. I try different things with this mobile phone, and not to mention this serves as my alarm clock right now. So anyway, as a farewell to this phone, I wanted to do some R&D on this phone, and fortunately this phone survived and I was successful in flashing the cyanogen mode 14.1 that is based on Android Nougat. Before we start, a few words of warning. You must know that you should not try this on your primary phone. You may brick your phone completely. Your phone may not work if you're not careful or if you are not sure about what you are doing. And this is exclusively for Motorola XT1039 Moto-G first generation 4G LTE model. Other Motorola devices maybe can be updated using similar process, but if you are planning to use some other mobile, please read through all the instructions and only then start the process. All this information are scattered over internet, and it took me a while to compile and to decide a logical sequence on how to do it in the easiest possible way. There are several ways to do it, but I figure using fastboot was probably the easiest. There is a possibility that using apps for TWRP and apps for Super SU, it could be further easier. Maybe I will try it later, but so far this is the easiest method that I found out. During the installation, you will several times have to be in the fast boot mode, and there you need to be very careful about the hard buttons on your phone like power, volume, rockers, etc. You do not want to press anything by mistake during the flashing. Yes, so that's all I wanted to say. Yeah, and let me just walk you through the logical steps. So I have decided that I will make 5 short videos about it, and the part 1 will consist of configuring your PC, testing connection to your phone, and unlocking the bootloader. So before you begin rooting your phone, you need to unlock the bootloader. The part 2 will contain installing a TWRP custom recovery tool, and then flashing super issue or rooting your phone by it. The third part is updating bootloader. This is very specific to my phone. Probably it's applicable to you if you are a Motorola user. For all other phone brands, please check in the internet for solutions. In part 4, I install cyanogen mod 14.1 to my phone, and in part 5 I install a minimal part of Google Apps because I still want to download apps to this mobile phone. Okay, so let's start with the process then. So as a first step, you need to go to Motorola website, and there you need to have a Motorola account to move further. So if you do not have one, please create a Motorola account and log into it. The next step is to download all the Motorola USB drivers. Okay, you only need to install from this link, and once you download, you will get a file which is named as Motorola Device Manager. You may see different versions depending on when you are doing it. You need to install this, and then you need to download the android-sdk-slim.zip. This basically contains all the Android tools that you are going to use, mainly fastboot utility, and you don't need to install anything here. You just need to unzip. So here you can see I have unzipped that folder. Okay, and this is the tool that we need. ADB is also a very interesting tool, but for this upgrade we are going to only use fastboot. Alright, so we are through this step. Then the next step is to connect your phone in fastboot. Okay, you first need to boot your phone in fast boot mode, and then from inside platform tools you should try to access your phone. So let's see what happens. Just to show you, you see this is the Motorola generation 1 and it has Android Nougat. So I will turn it off. Ooh, mini earthquake there. Okay, so go to fast boot mode. You need to hold the volume low key and the power key simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, let's go. 1 2 3 start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Voila, this is the fast boot mode. Okay, and now we need to connect the micro USB and connect it to the PC. You see here, I do not know if you can see it or not. Here you can see now it says transfer mode, USB is connected. Okay, all right, so let's put it on the side. Here we are in the window inside platform tools, inside the Android SDK-Slim package. I'm going to open the command prompt window here. Okay, then I'm going to say fast boot devices. Okay, so now you can see that it's showing me some a random number here, which is basically the representative of the phone. Let me try to do one thing here very quickly so that it's more visible. Text background is white, screen text is black. Okay, alright, so I hope it's more visible now. So here you can see the information. Alright, now we are sure that we are able to access our phone in fast boot. Let's go back to the instructions. We are done with step 2 now. Then step 3. To unlock the bootloader, you need to do the following. First and foremost, fastboot OEM get unlock data. Okay, now you will see some form of key here that will be coming out of your phone. So you need to copy all of it, mark, then hit enter here to copy, and I'll paste it in a different place. Okay, let's see, I paste it. So what you need to do is you need to remove these bootloader things and you need to put all this information in a single line. So let me show you how. So just like this, you remove this text and you need to put all of it in a single line. Be careful here, and then you need to come back to the website where you were. You need to put that number here. You can see my number is already present here because I have already done it. Put it, and then you say, can my device be unlocked? Okay, and if your device can be unlocked, then you will get a request lock key button at the end of the page. Say I agree and request unlock key. As soon as you do it, almost instantaneously Motorola will send you an unlock key to your phone, sorry, to your mobile. And then once you receive the key to unlock the device, what you need to do is fastboot OEM unlock and then put the key here. So as I have mentioned it here, so what you need to say is fastboot OEM unlock, and then you need to put the key here. The next step is, how do you know that your phone is unlocked now? So let me show you how. So my phone is already unlocked and I am inside the fastboot mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say go to normal power off, which is the default option. So select. Let me restart again. Okay, this is the warning that you will see. Warning, bootloader is unlocked. So if you see this warning, then you know that you have successfully unlocked the bootloader of your phone. Okay, so see you in the next part of the video. Till then, bye bye.